Hello everybody, my name is Norma Galloway. I am a professional organizer in Charlotte, North Carolina. The name of my company is Savvy Zen Organizer LLC. The website is savvyzenorganizations.com. So what is a professional organizer? Professional organizers are coaches, trainers, advisors, and doers. My job consists of advising clients on organizing techniques, styles, trends, needs, and uses for the items in the home. Ideally, the consultation only takes 1 hour. So I will walk through your home with you. We'll go over the projects in each room, we're going to determine if you want to donate things, how do you want them placed in the home, and storage solutions. If there's storage already in the home, we'll try to utilize those products. If they are not, then we will take a look at the binder that I will carry with me so that you can look at some storage ideas, and we can schedule appointments then to proceed with going shopping to get the items that we're going to need to organize the space before we actually get started. So that would be something that we would do prior to coming into this space. Now, it is best practice for you if you know that you have a closet, for instance, that needs to be decluttered first. So we'll do a sorting system, which is donate, keep, and trash. So this can be done prior to me coming to your home, and this way when I get there, all I need to do is put everything in order, hang them up in the closets, find a storage solution for your shoes and things like that, and using baskets and bins and whatever that you decided you like aesthetically to look nice in the closet. And then we will cut down on time in the process of getting these things done. And that it works with any room of the house. You know, if you have things that you know you want to throw out and stuff like that, you can do that in advance, and it'll cut down on expense for you as far as my service and how long I would be in your home. So take that into consideration when you are ready to start the projects, that you will need to do some homework at night or get things done in advance of my visit. Okay, so this is some information I'd like to share with you about pricing, because now that you invited me to your home, we're going over the constellation, and we've looked at the scope of the projects, and we need to determine when to get started and how much it's going to cost, right? So I do offer package deals. So let me just read to you what the package deals look like. For 3 sessions, it's 9 hours. That's $640. It saves you 5%. 6 sessions is 18 hours. That is $1,215, savings of 10%. 9 sessions is 27 hours. $1,720 is your cost, 15% savings. 12 sessions, which is my largest package, is 36 hours. That's $2,160 at a 20% savings. I can also customize the packages for you if you are on a budget, you're looking at costs and you can't do it all at once. You can still lock in these packages and buy your sessions in advance, and then we will work on the sessions as your budget allows. So if you can afford to purchase the sessions all at once, or you can buy smaller sessions and then we'll pick up and buy another package, you can do it that way too. All right? Hope that was helpful for you. With any projects in the home, I don't want you to feel overwhelmed about how to get rid of things after you have decided to put them in the trash. I will take them out for you and put them in the trash for you. If there's things that you want to donate to whatever charity you'd like of your choice, I do have receipts that I can give you for that charity so you can write it off on your taxes. Okay, so that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Now that we have cleared up some information for you, hopefully, that you were concerned about or just had questions about how to work with a professional organizer, don't hesitate to give me a call. Check out the website, which is savvyzenorganizations.com. You can check me out also on Pinterest and Instagram. And if you need any more information, shoot me an email at savvyzenorganizer@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. All right, so it was a pleasure speaking with you guys. Hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.